What's up, guys? It's Paul, and I'm back with another cringeworthy, noteworthy upgrade for you. This time, I'm going to be talking about the new high-capacity lithium battery that I just installed in my campervan. Wait, I thought this was a Jeep trailer and cat channel. Miso, is there still a cat? Okay, just making sure there's still a cat. That's right, a campervan. We'll talk about the campervan in another video, but this time it's LiTime, and I'd like to tell you about the new 280 amp hour lithium battery from LiTime that I just installed in my campervan, along with the 60 amp AC charger. Those of you who own a rig that was converted by a previous owner or dealership know that sometimes the components they put in don't always meet your needs. The previous owner of this rig converted it for part-time use, whereas now I'm using it full-time. Another wrinkle to this is that I do all of my cooking on electric appliances. I use an induction cooktop and this electric griddle top. Because of that, this rig consumes a lot of electricity, but at least it doesn't need propane. And you know that having to fill your propane in the middle of a long trip can be a propane in the butt. You know what I'm saying? With those two factors in mind, I knew that the 200 amp hour battery that had been installed in the campervan before was not going to be enough, and I had to upgrade that. So I went with the LiTime 280 amp hour lithium battery. It's hard to find a bad battery these days, but there are certain things that make a good battery stand out from the rest. I've owned enough different lithium batteries to know that any battery that's 280 to 300 amp hours will deliver exactly that, 280 to 300 amp hours. They all last about 10 years, they can be charged 4,000 times, that part's all the same. The thing that makes the LiTime battery stand out for me, there's the low temperature cutoff protection, which means that when it's below freezing, the battery will prevent itself from being charged, which is good. That's frequently a situation that I find myself in. And then the second is that it's a smart battery. It can be monitored by Bluetooth and my smartphone, so even without looking at or touching the battery directly, I can still monitor the vital stats. Let's talk a little bit more about the app, because that is one of the standout features of this battery. This is actually one of the easiest apps to use of any of the lithium batteries I've owned. It's really quite simple. You just open the app, it connects to your battery, and then immediately you can start monitoring vital battery stats, such as remaining capacity, remaining percentage, incoming or outgoing charge, and voltage. And you can also take a look at the temperature of the battery to know whether it's close to cutting itself off from being charged or not. I've installed my battery in this handy compartment that this van has behind all of my crap. That's right, overlanding is not glamorous. There's a lot of crap. Not Kool-Aid. This is engine coolant. I'm finding that 280 amp hours is more than enough for my needs, doing my electric cooking, powering the Starlink internet, charging my laptop and cameras, my fridge, reptile enclosure, you name it. Yes, reptile enclosure. And I can charge it 3 different ways, with the 200 watts of solar I have on the roof of the van, with the van's alternator while I drive, and with the LiTime 60 amp AC charger when I have a shore power hookup handy. The AC charger is so easy. Just connect it to the battery with the provided Anderson connectors on both the battery side and the charger side, plug in the AC charger to an AC outlet or extension cord, and then turn it on. This light turns red when the battery is charging, and then when the battery is charged, the light turns green. Green, the color of peas, because this is so easy peasy. From a lifestyle standpoint, this type of high capacity battery is great because a battery isn't something you should have to think about, right? It should just do what you need it to do. It should power what it needs to power, and then it just fades into the background. And that's exactly what I get with this LiTime 280 amp hour battery. Well, I think that will do it for this in-use video of the LiTime 280 amp hour smart lithium battery and 60 amp AC charger. Buy it. You know you want to buy it. Use the link in my description. Buy it. Till next time, what time is it? It's LiTime. Originate from Ampere time. I don't even know what originate from Ampere time refers to, but it sounds cool. I think everybody should originate from Ampere time. Let's all originate from Ampere time.